Many experts agree that a diet as colorful as the rainbow is beneficial to our health and our overall well being. This colorful rainbow salad is loaded with antioxidants, high in vitamin C, rich in fiber, with lots of vitamins and minerals. Welcome to our health and wellness family. Today I'm going to start by cutting up some spinach into smaller pieces. Spinach is a great source of vitamin K to help with bone health, and it's also a good source of vitamin C and vitamin A. Put the spinach in the salad bowl. Next, we're going to add some cucumber pieces. We want to get some nice dice-sized pieces of cucumber. Cucumber helps with hydration, has lots of antioxidants, and it's also heart healthy. This size is fine, or you can even do smaller if you like. Add the cucumber pieces to the bowl. Next, we're going to cut up a piece of green bell pepper into smaller pieces. Bell peppers are very high in vitamin C, which is needed for collagen synthesis and also for immune support. Add the small bell pepper pieces to the bowl. We're also going to cut up a piece of red bell pepper into smaller pieces. Bell peppers have lots of antioxidants and also fiber to help with blood sugar control and also digestive health. We want the pieces to be on the smaller side. Add the red bell pepper pieces to the bowl. We're also going to cut up a piece of yellow bell pepper into smaller pieces. Bell peppers also have vitamin A, which is good for vision, immune support, and also cell growth. Add the yellow bell pepper pieces to the bowl. Look at this beautiful array of colors. Next, we're going to add some cherry tomatoes cut into smaller pieces. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C and also rich in the antioxidant lycopene. Add the tomato pieces to the bowl. Next, we're going to cut up some radish into smaller pieces. Radish has antioxidants, fiber, and also vitamin B and vitamin C, and much more. You can peel some of the skin off the radish like I'm doing here, or you can leave it on, whatever you prefer. This is the size I'm using for the radish, but you can go smaller if you prefer. Add the radish to the bowl. Sometimes I also add small pieces of red onions. Lastly, I'm going to cut some scallions into smaller pieces, but you can use parsley or cilantro, or you can use both. Next, we're going to make an easy salad dressing using some organic extra virgin olive oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, we're going to add the juice of half of a lemon. We're going to add a dash of Himalayan pink salt. We're also going to add a dash of sea salt. Next, add some black pepper. This is optional, you can add some red pepper flakes. Stir the mixture, and there you have a light and easy salad dressing. I'm excited to try this delicious rainbow salad. Put your desired amount on a plate. Toss the salad around so you get some of all the vegetables. Next, add your salad dressing to the salad. So delicious and healthy. And to help you improve your health, download my free Natural and Holistic Health Guide. The link is in the description. And for more healthy recipes like these, please check out my book and my Natural and Holistic Health course on sale at shirleenrees.com. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.